Okay, so this is how I got it to work. I just got a piece of soda can, folded it over. There's a little gap right there, so I slide this on. Let's see here. Just like this. Oops. Slide it in between. Get that there. But the problem is this one, it only lights that much. And then it blows out really easily. I think, uh-oh, come on. Now it doesn't want to work again. Turn it off. Is it sparking? Oh, there we go. Okay. I think when the cover's on, it helps the gas, so we'll do that. Okay, let's try with this charcoal thing on. Come on, light it up. No, it doesn't want to light. Maybe the crumbs hit something. Okay. Nope, doesn't want to light again. Huh. Sort. That works. Oops, this one's not on. There we go. Those two work just fine. These two work just fine. This one, I don't know why it's so picky. Oh, there we go. There we go. I guess if you light these two, then they help light this one after you get them going. Okay.